Food storage: how long can you keep Appenzeller cheese, sold in wrapped block, unopened? Keep cheese refrigerated. If mold develops on the surface of the cheese, cut away 1 inch around and below the moldy area and recover the cheese in fresh wrap. To freeze, cut the cheese into portions no larger than ½ pound each, and wrap tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic freezer wrap, or place inside a heavy-duty freezer bag. Frozen cheese may become crumbly and lose some of its flavor. The thawed cheese will be best suited to cooked dishes, such as sauces, soups and casseroles. Freezer time shown is for best quality only. Foods kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.